Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix speaker issue in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to solve this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, click on sound and haptics, and here scroll down and click on headphone safety. Now from here, turn off this reduce loud sounds button. Now after turning off this button, go back and then scroll down and click on accessibility. Now here scroll down to the hearing section and click on audio or visual, and from here turn on mono audio button. Here you will see a mono audio button, turn it on. So if it doesn't fix your problem, then click on background sounds, and here you will see a use when media is playing button. Turn on use when media is playing button to fix your speaker problem. So if it also doesn't fix your problem, make sure your mobile is not in silent mode. Turn off silent mode to fix your speaker issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.